Hello, crochet lovers! These are some really cute berets for girls, and I love these ideas. I've selected myself these for you, and I love these strawberry and watermelon themed berets. These are so adorable and cute. I love them, they're amazing. And for patterns, subscribe my channel, Crochet by Nemra. These are very cute and adorable. So like my channel, subscribe my channel, also share to your friends and family, and just take a look. It's so adorable, so cute. It also includes one color ideas, two color ideas, chest patterns, fruits, and many more ideas. These are very easy to make, and you can find the patterns on my channel. Look at this flower beret, it's beautiful. And then this mushroom one is also cute, and the red version of it, adorable. This cherry one is also cute, as well as this rose one. Strawberries are always cute in my eyes, and I love the way these flowers are crocheted. And I love this bear one as well. These all are very cute and adorable. They are perfect for crocheting, and these look perfect. You can wear them in almost every outfit. I also love how the beanies match the outfits, crocheted outfits, and yeah, these are many adorable ideas. So yeah, comment which one's your favorite. They are made from simple stitches, also puff stitches, single stitches, and also double crochets, also half double crochets. This egg yolk is also very cute, and these birds are very cute. This one has a bread on it, and I love it. These are very cute, adorable, cute, and aesthetic. So please do try them. They're awesome and perfect to crochet. So take your hook and yarn and start crocheting right away. Take a look. These are very beautiful and my opinion, and I love it. Comment which one's your favorite and which ones you like or which ones you don't like. Or yep, my favorite is this frog one and this star one. It's very cute. These are also some pie themed and cherry and strawberry themed ones. This is a kiki beret with buttons. This is a 8-pool one. So is this in pink shade. This is again a pie, and I love them all.